Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, you are watching educational channel KMCH. I am Khalid Mahmood from KMCH Physics Academy. Our subject is Physics of class 9. We are solving its MCQs. Today we have to solve MCQs of unit number 6, which is work and energy. Question number 6.1 is encircle the correct answer from the given choices. And question number 1 is the work done will be 0 when the angle between the force and the distance is. Options are A 45 degree, B 60 degree, C 90 degree, and D 180 degree. Now we know that work done is equal to F dot D. It is equal to F dot D, and F dot D is equal to FD cos theta. Now F and D both are not 0, so work done will be 0 if cos theta will be equal to 0. So cos 90 is equal to 0. Therefore theta will be equal to 90 if the work done will be equal to 0. So our option at C, that the angle between force and distance must be equal to 90 if work done is equal to 0, is correct. So we will fill circle in front of option C with black ink. Question number 2. If the direction of motion of the force is perpendicular to the direction of motion of the body, then work done will be. Options are A maximum, B minimum, C 0, and D none of the above. And we know that if F and D are perpendicular, then angle between them is equal to 90 degree. So work done is equal to F dot D is equal to FD cos theta, FD cos 90 if force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Therefore cos 90 is equal to 0 and work done will be equal to 0. So our option at C is correct, that the work done will be equal to 0 if the motion of the force is perpendicular to the direction of the motion of the body. So we will fill this circle in front of C with black ink. Question number 3. If the velocity of a body becomes double, then its kinetic energy will be. Option A is remain the same, option B is becomes double, option C is becomes 4 times, and option D is becomes half. We know that kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 mv square. Kinetic energy at double velocity will be equal to kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 m. We will replace velocity with 2v because it is now double. So 2v square. 2 square is 4. 4 into 1 over 2 m v square. 1 over 2 m v square is kinetic energy at velocity v. Therefore kinetic energy at double velocity is equal to 4 times the kinetic energy at velocity v. So our option at C is correct, becomes 4 times. We will fill circle in front of C with black ink. Question number 4. The work done in lifting a brick of mass 2 kg through a height of 5 meter above ground will be. So we have to find work done. We are lifting a brick which have mass 2 kg and we have to take it up to a height of 5 meter from the ground. Our options are A 2.5 joule, B 10 joule, C 50 joule, and D 100 joule. Now work done on the brick will be equal to F dot D. Here the force which we have to apply to lift the brick up will be equal to the weight of the brick. So we will replace force with mg, the weight of the brick. D will replace by height. We have to raise the height which we have to raise the brick up to. So work done is equal to m is equal to 2, g is equal to 10, and h is equal to 5. So it is 100 joule. So our option at D is correct, 100 joule. The work done in lifting a brick of mass 2 kg through a height of 5 meter above ground will be 100 joule. So we will fill the circle in front of option D with black ink. Question number 5. The kinetic energy of a body of mass 2 kg is 25 joule. Its speed is. Now kinetic energy of a body is given and mass of the body is also given, and we have to find speed of the body or velocity of the body. Options are A 5 meter per second, B 12.5 meter per second, C 25 meter per second, and D is 50 meter per second. Now we know that kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 mv square. Kinetic energy is given 25 joule is equal to 1 over 2 into mass is given 2 kg, and we have to find velocity. So this 2 will cancel this 2 and we get 25 is equal to v square. Square root, taking square root on both sides, we get v is equal to square root of 25. So v is equal to 5 meter per second. So our option at A is correct. So we will fill circle in front of A with black ink. Question number 6. Which one of the following converts light energy into electrical energy? Option A is electrical bulb. Electrical bulb gives light and it consumes electric energy. B, electrical generator. Electrical generator produce electricity. It give us potential difference. Photocell. It is the instrument, it is the device which use solar energy and it gives electrical energy. It convert it into electrical energy. Electric cell which we are use in our radios, in our clocks, it gives electrical energy but it consume chemical energy. Solar cell. Solar energy can also be converted directly into electricity by solar cells. A solar cell is also called photocell. So our option at C is correct. Photocell is the device which converts solar energy into electrical energy. So we will fill the circle in front of C with black ink. Question number 7. When a body is lifted through a height h, the work done on it appears in the form of its option A kinetic energy, option B potential energy, option C elastic potential energy, and option D is geothermal energy. So let a body of mass m be raised up through height h from the ground. The body will acquire potential energy equal to the work done in lifting it to height h. Thus potential energy is equal to Pe is equal to F into h, and F is equal to weight of the body, W into h, and W is equal to mgh. Mgh is potential energy. When we raise a body at a height h from the level of the surface, then the work done on it appears as its potential energy, that is mgh. So our option at B is correct. We will fill the circle in front of B with black ink. The energy stored in coal is. Options are heat energy, option B kinetic energy, option C chemical energy, and option D nuclear energy. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is present in food, fuels, and in other substances. We get other forms of energy from these substances during chemical reactions. The burning of wood, coal, or natural gas in air is a chemical reaction which releases energy as heat and light. So the energy stored in coal is chemical energy. Our option at C is correct. So we fill the circle in front of C with black ink. Question number 9. In Einstein's mass energy equation, C is, options are A. Speed of sound, B. Speed of light, C. Speed of electron, D. Speed of earth. Well, now we know that Einstein's mass energy equation is E is equal to mc square, where c represent the velocity of light, which is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So our option at B, speed of light, is correct. We will fill the circle in front of B with black ink. Question number 10. Rate of doing work is called A. Energy, option B. Torque, option C. Power, option D. Momentum. Now we know that energy, if it is potential energy, then PE is equal to mgh, and if it is kinetic energy, then Ke is equal to 1 over 2 mv square, and torque, tau is equal to R cross F, and power is rate of doing work. So our option is here at C. Momentum, P is equal to mv, product of mass and velocity. Power is work over time, P is equal to W over T. So our option at C is correct. So we fill circle in front of C with black ink. Students, this was the chapter number 6. We have solved its MCQs. If this video is of any use for you, then please like it, and if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe it so that you may watch other videos like this. May you live long. Allah Hafiz.